Okay, so today, dozen a day, pink book, group 1, exercise 2, hopping. Why hopping? Because this is about staccato. So we want to get that detached sound. However, there's a few ways that we can get that sound, and at this stage you want to go for the easiest possible way. And I think the easiest way to get that sound is this. So what is it? It's a light poke. It's a light poke of the finger. So you send your energy down into the keys with just a little bit of sweep. Just a tiny little bit of the sweep. And look what happens to the wrist. The wrist hops off, kind of passively, if you want. Now, of course, if you want more volume, you have to do a bit more knocking into it, into the keys. But for now, I'd say that's the easiest way. A little bit of poking into the keys, a little bit of sweeping off the key, just enough of the sweeping, and the wrist just bounces off almost passively. Now, when the left hand comes in, I like to do this. I like to keep my left hand in position, close enough, and then advance my left hand onto middle C when it needs to play. And so the right hand advances back when it's its turn. You see, I retreat the hand that doesn't play and I advance the hand that needs to play. So from the top, the exercise looks like this. 3, 4. Last thing, for the longer notes, the minim and the semi-breve, or the half note and the whole notes in bar 2 and 4. For those long notes, you can sink into them. You can just abandon your weight into them and allow the wrist to drop. So again, the whole exercise from the side view there looks like this. 3, 4. So to recap, I think the easiest way of doing this for now is to stay near the keys, actually on the keys. Do the staccato from touching the keys, you see, rather than striking them from a distance. That'll come later. So stay on the keys, touching the keys, and do the staccato by lightly poking the keys. A little poke, a little sweep, and a little passive, almost passive bouncing off of the wrist. And sinking is allowed on the long notes. Thanks for watching. I'll see you at the next one.